Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we will see fifth part of chapter 3 differentiation. Earlier we have studied about derivative of a function of function. This is composite function. Okay. Today we will see derivative of a logarithmic function. That means you have to take log and then differentiate. Sometimes we have to differentiate a function involving complicated expressions like f of x into g of x or f of x upon g of x and f of x raised to g of x. That means function into function, function divided by function and function raised to function. Okay. In this case we first transform the expression to a logarithmic form. Okay. And then we will find its derivative. Hence, the method's name is logarithmic differentiation. Okay, that is d by dx of log y equals to 1 by y dy by dx. Remember that derivative of log y is equals to 1 by y dy by dx. Since the derivative of log is 1 upon something, na? So if you are differentiating log, you get 1 upon y, but y is also differentiated again, so we get 1 by y dy by dx. Okay, some examples are given here. These examples can be solved by using the logarithmic differentiation. Here you have to apply the basic formulas of logarithmic functions. Okay, let's see some basic laws of logarithm. As we have studied in 11th also, now we have to just recall it. First one is log of m into n to the base a. It will be, since it is given product, it will be converted into sum. So log m plus log n. Second, log m upon n. It is equals to log m minus log n. Okay. Then third is log m raised to n. Here n is given in the power. It will be equals to n log n. That means the power will come before the log as a coefficient. So we get n log m. This property is most used in the logarithmic differentiation. Fourth is log m to the base n. Here we are finding log m to the base n. This is the change of base law, log m upon log n to the base a. Log e is equals to 1 and also log a to the base a is equals to 1. If we are finding the log of any number to the same base, then its value is 1. Okay. Then log a raised to x to the base a is also equals to x. Okay. Remember all these laws. Now see example 1. Find dy by dx if y equals to 3 plus x raised to x. Here it is given in the form of function raised to function. Okay, that means 3 plus x is a function and also x is a function. Now let y equals to 3 plus x raised to x. First of step is we have to take log on both sides. Therefore we write here, taking log on both sides, we get log of y equals to log of 3 plus x raised to x. Okay, log y is same, just copy that, is equals to, here we apply the law of logarithm, that is log m to the base n. It is equals to n log m. That means power is multiplied as a coefficient. Here the power is x, so x is multiplied as a coefficient to the log 3 plus x. So we get x into log 3 plus x. Therefore log y equals to x into log 3 plus x. Okay. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. This is common step in every question of logarithmic differentiation. Note that. Okay. Whenever you have to differentiate log y, you have to write 1 by y dy by dx equals to, here x is one function and log 3 plus x is other function. So we have two function in multiplication. So we apply product rule u into v. So what is u into v? Derivative of u into v is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay. So u as x into d by dx of log 3 plus x. Derivative of log 3 plus x is 1 upon 3 plus x. Okay. Plus second term log 3 plus x into 1. Where is it? From where does this 1 comes? Derivative of x is 1. Okay. Remember, you have to apply u into v in x log 3 plus x. So in right side, left hand side, we are having 1 by y. Now this y is transferred to right side. It becomes y into x upon 3 plus x plus log 3 plus x. Now replace this y with the question. In question, y equals to 3 plus x. So replace y by 3 plus x raised to x. Rest all the bracket things will be same. Clear? Now see next example. Find dy by dx if y equals to x raised to x plus log x raised to x. Okay, here we are having function of function, but also we are having two function in addition. So we will consider this two function as a separate u into u and v. Okay, let y equals to x raised to x. So we take x raised to x as u and log x raised to x as v. So we have y equals to u plus v. Okay, where u equals to x raised to x and v equals to log x raised to x. Now we will first differentiate this statement y equals to u plus v. We get dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, in right side we have two derivatives, du and dv. First of all, we need to find du by dx and dv by dx. Now see, we have taken u equals to x raised to x. Here it is a function of function. X raised to x means function raised to function. So we apply logarithmic differentiation. So we write taking logarithm on both sides. We get log u equals to log x raised to x. X raised to log of x raised to x becomes x log x. Again here we apply product rule u into v. X is u, log x is v. Okay. So x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Clear? And derivative of log u is just like log y. So 1 by u du by dx. Transferring u from left to right side, we get du by dx equals to u 1 plus log x. Okay. Now replace u with the original function. It is u equals to x raised to x. Now, so replace u by x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. This is your second function. Now we consider the first second term, v equals to log x raised to x. Okay. Again here also we taking logarithmic on both sides, we get log v equals to x log of log x. Okay. Differentiating on both sides, we get log v. We have differentiated by as we have differentiated log y. So we get 1 by v dv by dx equals to x into derivative of log x. So firstly the derivative of log x is 1 by log x, and also the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, plus log x into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. Now transfer the v from left to right side. We get dv by dx equals to v in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x, bracket close. Therefore we have replaced v by original function, it is log x raised to x, then 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is your third equation. Now we will substitute this second and third in one. Then we get dy by dx equals to x raised to x 1 plus log x plus log x raised to x in bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. So this is the final solution, your final answer. Okay. If you are having a doubt, you can ask. I have solved some questions from the exercise 3.3 for you. You can easily understand this method by seeing that solution. Okay. See, some questions are given. These are the questions which solution is given in the video ahead. So you can refer this solution and try to solve on your own so that you can understand this method clearly. Okay. See exercise 3.3. Here we are using the derivative of logarithmic function. What is logarithmic function? If function is given in the form of x raised to x, or we can say function raised to function. Okay, function raised to another function. If any question is of this type, then you have to do the logarithmic differentiation. See, here it is given function x raised to 2x. Okay, so first of all we need to take log on both sides. So we take log y log x raised to 2x. Okay, since we have the property of log, as if log a raised to x is given, then it can be written as x log a. So using this property we can write here x raised to 2x log of x. Okay, now log y equals to x raised to 2x into log x. Now since here also it is again a function raised to function, so again we take log here also we write taking log on both sides. Okay, yeah, if we take log here also, log of log y equals to log of x raised to 2x log x. Okay, so since log a into b is equals to log x raised to 2x plus log of log x, here it will become 2x into log x plus log of log x. So log of log y equals to 2x log x plus log of log x. Now we will differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay, derivative of log is 1 upon x, na? So it is log, derivative of this log is 1 upon log y into again derivative of this 1 upon y into dy by dx equals to, now it is u into v. Okay, so 2x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of 2x plus 1 by log x into 1 by x. Okay, now here we write 1 upon y log y dy by dx equals to 2x into derivative of log x is 1 by x, 1 by x plus log x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus 1 by x log x. Okay, now this will be cancelled out. We get 2 plus 2 log x plus 1 upon x log x, and here it is 1 upon y log y dy by dx. Now we will transfer this to this side. Then it will become, on shifting y log y to right side, we get y log y in bracket 2. Here we have taken 2 as common. So 2 in bracket 1 plus log x upon 1 upon x log x. Okay. Now we will replace this y by the original function. What is the original function? Original function is x raised to 2x log x raised to x 2x, and we copy all the things which are in the bracket here, plus the 1 upon x log x. So this is the solution of finding dy by dx. Okay. Now see second question. Second question is y equals to e raised to x raised to x. Okay. This is first function and this is another function. Okay. Now we write taking log on both sides. Okay. So we get log y log of e raised to x raised to x. Okay. So this x will come here, x into log of e raised to x. So these are two functions. So now differentiating. Differentiating with respect to x. The derivative of y log is 1 upon y. So 1 upon y dy by dx equals to x into d by dx of log e raised to x by using u into v plus log e raised to x into d by dx of x. Okay. So x into derivative of log is 1 upon e raised to x. Okay. But we also need to differentiate e raised to x also. So d by dx of e raised to x plus log e raised to x into 1. The derivative of x is 1. Okay. So x upon e raised to x into e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is same e raised to x plus log e raised to x. This will cancel, so it becomes x plus log e raised to x 1 upon y dy by dx. Now we'll transfer this y to right side. It becomes y x plus log e raised to x. Okay. So replace this y with the question e raised to x x plus log e raised to x. Okay. So this is the final answer. Clear? See the third sum. Here function is given y equals to 1 plus 1 by x raised to x. Okay. So this is first function, this is second function. Right? Taking log on both sides, dy by dx equals to log of 1 plus 1 by x raised to x. So this x will come before the log. So we write x log 1 plus 1 by x. Okay. And here we have to take log, na? log y equals to log y equals to x log 1 plus 1 by x. Now I will differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 by derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx equals to x into d by dx of log 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x into d by dx of x. So copy x here. Now derivative of log 1 plus 1 by x. First derivative of log of any function is 1 by 1 upon. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 by x into d by dx of this function. Okay. Plus 1 plus 1 by x into 1. Now x into 1 upon. Here cross multiply x plus 1 by x into derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, this x will go upside in numerator. It will become x here into x upon x plus 1. Okay, and here in bracket we get 1 upon minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus 1 by x. So x into x square upon x plus 1 into minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, cancel this. We get minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, so this is the, so it is 1 by y dy by dx. Now we need to shift this y here. So we get dy by dx equals to y. If we write y here, then what is the y in the question? It is 1 plus 1 by x raised to x, then in bracket minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x. So this is the final answer. Okay. See next, fourth question. Here function is given y equals to 2x plus 5 raised to x. So we take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get log y equals to log of 2x plus 5 raised to x. Taking writing this x here, we get x into log of 2x plus 5. Okay, now differentiating on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x. Here we get 1 by y and dy by dx. Here x into d by dx of log 2x plus 5 plus log 2x plus 5 into d by dx of x. Okay, now x into derivative of log is 1 upon, so we write 1 upon 2x plus 5, but we need to differentiate this also, so into d by dx of 2x plus 5. plus log 2x plus 5 into d by dx of x is 1. Now we write here x upon 2x plus 5 into derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 5 is 0. So we get only 2 plus log 2x plus 5. So at last we multiply 2 here also. We get 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log 2x plus 5. Here we have 1 by y dy by dx. So shifting this y here, we get dy by dx equals to y. What is y here? 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5. Now we replace this y with the original question. 2x plus 5 raised to x, and all the bracket will be copied here, plus log of 2x plus 5. Okay, so this is the final solution. Clear? Rest question we will do in the next part of this chapter. Okay, this is part 5. Rest of our question we will do in the part 6. Okay.